Welcome or welcome back to our simple home. This Nutella star or flour is really yummy. We need 200 milliliter warm milk, 1 tablespoon sugar, 1 tablespoon active dry yeast. Mix it and let it set for about 10 minutes. I add 70 grams of sugar, 500 grams of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 30 grams of melted butter. I add 2 eggs. Mix it well to create a nice soft dough. I add 1 tablespoon of oil to a bowl, spread it around. Then I transfer the dough into the bowl. I create a nice ball and let it rest at a warm place at least for an hour. Once the dough is the size I like, I transfer the dough to my workspace. I shape the dough into a roll. I split the dough into 4 equal pieces. I put 3 pieces aside and roll 1 out. I picked a plate how big I wanted my star to be or flour, and then I roll the dough out big enough that it fits the plate. My plate is 28 centimeters or 11 inches. Once I rolled out the dough big enough, I check if my plate fits on the dough. Then I transfer the dough onto my parchment paper and check again if the plate fits, just in case. In the microwave, I warm up 80 grams of Nutella just for a few seconds so I can easily spread it on my dough. Once I spread out the Nutella evenly, I start rolling out the next one and check it again with my plate. Make sure it's big enough and then transfer it on top of the Nutella. I warm up again 80 grams of Nutella and spread it on the next dough. I roll out the third dough, make sure it's big enough again so it fits my plate, and make sure I don't put holes in it. So check it, place it on top of the next level of Nutella. I warm up the third 80 grams of Nutella and spread it on top of the third level. Then I roll out the fourth and last dough, make sure it's big enough, it fits my plate and it fits on top of everything else. Place it on top, cover everything nice and evenly, and then put my plate on top and cut it out. I remove the leftovers and just roll it into a snake or something and then place it on a plate and bake it too. Then I remove the plate. It's not that easy, but I got it done. I place a glass in the middle. Then I cut it like a cake around the glass into 16 pieces. If you enjoyed my content so far, please like this video, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and share my videos with others. That means a lot to me. Thank you. Now I tried to show you how I twist the dough to create a star or flower. I twist the dough 3 times to the outside of each stripe. So the left one to the left side, the right one to the right side. And then I stick those 2 stripes together and hide the ends underneath. I think you can see it better on the second one. I twist it 3 times to the outside, so the left one over to the left side, the right one over to the right side, and then I stick it together and hide the ends underneath. And this is what I repeat 8 times. I make it one more time slow so you can see it, how I twist it and how I stick it together, so it's easier to remember and then do it yourself. It's actually very easy, but it looks beautiful. And this is how my Nutella star flower looks like. I brush the Nutella star flour with a little bit of milk, so it's looking nice and brown when it's baked. I let my rest and rise for another half an hour, but you don't have to, you can just bake it. Then I place it into the cold oven and turn the oven on to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I bake it for about 15 minutes. And this is how my star flower turned out. I quickly bake the snake too. So I will taste the snake. I won't taste the star flower because it is for somebody special. So it's very soft. The dough is soft and the chocolate is yummy in there. And this is how the star flower looks. It's beautiful and it tastes yummy. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video.